Hi, this is Michelle with Michelle's Macarons, and today I'm going to talk about why your macarons might be getting ruffled feet. Like frilly feet. They come out at the side. They look like this. Like the top's smooth, everything looks good. They have feet, but it's like they're blown out a little bit. Like they're wearing a little skirt. We don't want that. So if you haven't already, go watch this video, which will tell you step by step how to make macarons, give you the recipe and everything. And then if you're still getting ruffled feet, check out these other videos, okay? That will give you even more detailed explanations on how to make the meringue, the macaronage, and then some questions that I have about the meringue. There are a couple reasons that might cause this. This is usually an easy problem to fix. That is not a word I would ever use on this channel. But compared to the other stuff, this one's not as bad. Most important is your temperature in your oven, and your oven could be lying to you and saying it's at 300 when really it's at 325, 345. So most important is that you get an oven thermometer. So get an oven thermometer if you don't already have one, and make sure your temperature is actually at the temperature you think it is. Once that's figured out, that is most likely the problem and why you're getting ruffled feet. So that leads to the second one. It could be too hot and your tray could be too high or too low. So too close to the heat source. So you want to keep it right in the middle or the lower third, but that depends where your heat source is coming from. So if you're like, this is at 300 and I'm baking it for the right time, which how would you know that? But if you really think that, you could try to lower your tray or raise it up based on your heat source. But most likely it's your oven's too hot, just turn it down a bit. You could mess with the time it's in there, but usually it's just a temperature problem. If you are enjoying this video and you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to be notified whenever I come out with a new video. Now, another reason is because they could be overmixed. So go watch this video and make sure you're not folding it too much during the macaronage stage, because that can kind of lead to it busting out a little bit. Now, it could also be over-whipped meringue. So if you haven't already, go watch this video and that will tell you exactly how to whip your meringue with pictures and everything. And we also have this video, which I just made, that answers even more questions. So go watch this video first, then this video, if you have even more questions, and see if that's it. Now, this is probably not it, but if you did all of the other stuff, only changing one thing at a time, like I always say, you could check with your mats. It could be something to do with the mats, but probably not. But if you've done all of these tips and you still have ruffled feet, then I would maybe experiment with different mats. Do the exact same thing every time, but change the mat. So keep the temperature, time, everything the same. Change from silicone to parchment or whatever. That is something to try. Probably not it though, but it could be. Okay, and if you're ready to sell your macarons and you want to turn this into a business, join the email list below. I have a course called the Home Bakery Blueprint where you can start or grow your own home bakery business. Now, if you are still having questions about this stuff, or you just kind of want to talk about macarons with other people, join the Michelle's Macarons Facebook group. It's a free group. Just answer the membership questions and you can post pictures of what's going wrong with your macarons. And there's, I think now, when I'm saying this, like 13,000 people in there. So you'll definitely get an answer. If you'd like, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will put those links in the description. And check out these other macaron videos. Okay, love you, bye. I wish it would wheel me off.